This week, the state revealed it investigated the Davidson County District Attorney's Office for alleged secret recordings. Now, the state attorney general decided to close the case without any charges, but we wanted to learn more about the secret recording laws here in Tennessee, like when it's legal for you to record, and also what makes Tennessee recording laws different from other states. Attorneys Benjamin McGowan and Miles Mason Sr. practice on opposite sides of the state, but both agree when it comes to secretly recording a conversation in Tennessee, the law is murky.
All lawyers have been struggling with wiretapping law since it came into existence.
In the one party consent state is really more, sort of a buyer beware kind of approach to these things.
Let's start there. Some states have two-party consent. That means both people must know they are being recorded. But in Tennessee, that's not the law. It's a one-party consent state. That means you can record your conversation with another person and they don't need to know a thing about it. But the key is you must be part of the conversation. It's a lower barrier to secret recordings.
That are recorded, that would be a clear violation of the statute. As opposed to a one-on-one meeting where one party was aware and consenting.
But a violation could land the person recording with a 2 to 4 year felony sentence and thousands of dollars in punitive damages. One reason many lawyers often say don't secretly record.
Just don't do it. Don't be involved with it. Don't be near it, because it's a third rail. It's an electric fence. If you're an employer or an elected official, you need to be very, very careful with who you record and when.
But Mason says there are some situations where a recording could help prove your case. But be sure to consult with a lawyer first. This is a part of Tennessee law, he says, that can be very fact-based.
A judge's personal, or prosecutor's personal sense of justice, what's fair and what's not fair, what is reasonable and what's not reasonable, comes into play.
And Tennessee is one of 37 states that are one-party consent states when it comes to secret recordings.